Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add overlays to your videos in CapCut PC or on your photos. We're just going to select this photo here, and I want to add in this overlay on top. Let me just adjust this so it's not super zoomed in. Select the overlay and place it on top, and you can even blend it on your photos or on your videos. So go to the blend mode section here. You can adjust the opacity. You can select the blend modes that you want to add. There's overlay. Just select whichever one suits your photo or your videos the best. Just going to go with the overlay one, I think, or the color burn one, but that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!